How to disassemble a pump. The pump in your wastewater treatment system is designed to be low maintenance, but sometimes you'll need to disassemble it for cleaning and repairs. Today, we're going to show you how to disassemble a pump, replace the internals of the liquid end, and reassemble it. Let's do a quick review of the different parts of a pump. On the top is the liquid end. It contains the internal stack assembly that's enclosed in casing. In the middle is the suction connection. It's surrounded by the screen. And on the bottom are the motor and electrical cord. The tools. Before you begin, gather the tools you'll need: a sturdy workbench, a vise, a 1/4-inch nut driver with a 1/4-inch socket or a straight slot screwdriver, a 1/2-inch wrench, a strap wrench, and a pump disassembly tool, which is manufactured in Orenco's machine shop. Contact your technical sales rep for details. How to disassemble a pump. First, set up your work area by laying out your tools, securing the vise to the workbench, and putting the pump disassembly tool in the vise and tightening it down. Next, take the pump and unscrew and remove the 1/4-inch screws holding the screen in place. Set them aside. Remove the screen. Now you can disassemble the suction connection and the liquid end from the motor. Use your 1/2-inch wrench to loosen the nuts. Unscrew them. Remove the washers and set the hardware aside. Next, lift up on the pump to separate the liquid end from the motor. Set the liquid end on the pump disassembly tool. For safety, thread the nuts onto the tool's studs and tighten with the 1/2-inch wrench. Then, wrap the strap wrench around the casing on the liquid end. Note that the threads between the suction connection and casing are reversed. Left tightens, right loosens. Unscrew the liquid end from the suction connection. When it's somewhat loose, take off the strap wrench and unscrew the rest by hand. With the liquid end disconnected from the suction connection, you can remove the internals, or the stack as it's called. At this point, you can clean, repair, or replace the stack. How to reassemble a pump. To reassemble the pump, simply reverse the earlier process. First, screw the liquid end back into the suction connection. Tighten it down with the strap wrench until the threads are bottomed out. Reattach the liquid end to the motor. Replace the washers and nuts and tighten with the 1/2-inch wrench. Replace the screen and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Tighten with your nut driver or screwdriver. Now your refurbished pump is ready to return to your wastewater treatment system. If you have any questions, contact Orenco's customer service team or visit orenco.com.